Craving a protein-packed breakfast that's quick, tasty, and keeps you full throughout the morning? This high-protein avocado toast layers creamy beans, cottage cheese, and a sunny-side-up egg. We'll start by making our avocado spread. Place a medium-sized bowl on your table. Take one avocado, slice it open, then scoop out 1/2 of the avocado onto your bowl. We'll use half an avocado for this recipe, so save the other half for a future recipe. Add 1/3 a cup of cannellini beans. You can use another type of beans if you prefer. If you're using canned, be sure to rinse them first and pat them dry with a paper towel. Add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. And finally, add a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Mash everything together with a fork or a potato masher until everything is well combined. Then set the mixture aside for now. Turn a burner on medium-low heat, place a skillet on top, and give it a light spray of oil. Take 1 slice of bread and toast it if you like. You can skip this step if you prefer yours untoasted. Once it's done toasting, remove it from the skillet. Return your skillet back to the stove and crack open a large egg into the hot skillet. Sprinkle a pinch of black pepper over the yolk, then cover it with a lid. Let the egg cook for 3 to 5 minutes until the whites are set but the yolk stays sunny side up. Once it's done, then remove it from the pan. Now we'll begin assembling our avocado toast. Grab back your mashed avocado and bean mixture and begin spreading it across your bread. Next, add about 3 tablespoons of cottage cheese on top of the mash. You can use plain non-fat Greek yogurt if you're not a fan of cottage cheese. Place the cooked sunny side up egg right in the center of the bread. Garnish with 4 halved cherry tomatoes around the egg. If you'd like a little bit of heat, drizzle some sriracha over it. Then you're ready to enjoy your high-protein avocado toast. If you prefer using less of the avocado bean spread, you can use as much as you like and then save the rest in the fridge. I'd recommend storing it in an airtight container for up to 2 days and add a small amount of lemon juice to help slow down the browning. If you want to save a bit of extra time, I'd recommend preparing the avocado bean spread while your egg cooks on the skillet. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fast, healthy recipes every week.